Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today we are going to learn Durood Ibrahim. Durood Ibrahim is commonly read in Tashahud part after At-Tayyat during Salah. Durood means to send greetings and honor Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So let us begin. Allahumma Salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma Salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. The second part of Durood Ibrahim is Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Let us break down to understand more clearly. Allahumma Salli ala Muhammadin. Allahumma means O Allah. Salli ala Muhammadin. Salli ala means send prayers upon Muhammad. Wa ala ali Muhammadin. Wa means and. Ala ali means upon family of Muhammadin means Muhammad. Wa ala ali Muhammadin means and upon family of Muhammad. Then comes Kama Salyata ala Ibrahima. Kama Salyata means as you sent prayers upon Ibrahim, Prophet Ibrahim. Wa ala ali Ibrahima. Wa means and. Ala ali means upon family of Ibrahim. Ibrahima means Ibrahim, Prophet Ibrahim. Then comes Innaka Hamidum Majid. Innaka means indeed you are. Hamid means the most praiseworthy. It is one of the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Majid means the glorious. It is also one of the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin. Allahumma means O Allah. Barik, send blessings upon Muhammadin means Muhammad, Prophet Muhammad. Wa ala ali Muhammadin. Wa means and. Ala ali Muhammadin means upon family of Muhammad. Kama barakta ala Ibrahima. As you have sent blessings, barakta means blessings, upon Ibrahima means Prophet Ibrahim, Ibrahim. Wa ala ali Ibrahima, and upon family of Ibrahim. Then comes Innaka Hamidum Majid. Innaka means indeed you are. Al-Hamid means the most praiseworthy, and Majid means the glorious. In these two parts only two words are changing, that is in place of Salli. In the second part it is coming Barik, and in the place of Sallaita it is coming Barakta. So now let us revise this whole dua once again. Allahumma Salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahima wa ala ali Ibrahima innaka Hamidum Majid. O Allah, send prayers upon Muhammad and the family of Muhammad as you have sent prayers upon Ibrahim and the family of Ibrahim. Indeed, You are the most praiseworthy, the glorious. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahima wa ala ali Ibrahima innaka Hamidum Majid. O Allah, bless Muhammad and the family of Muhammad as you have sent blessings upon Ibrahim and the family of Ibrahim. Indeed, you are the most praiseworthy, the glorious. Recite Durood Ibrahim as much as you can and also include it in your daily du'as after Salah in order to receive Allah's blessings. Hope you have understood the meaning of Durood Ibrahim. Please like this video, share with your friends and family members, and subscribe to our channel. Jazakallahu khairan for watching.